This is the manufacturing center of SANWOOD Technology. Here, we produce more than 2,400 environmental reliability testing equipment units every year, serving customers across multiple industries worldwide. Behind our consistent large-scale deliveries lies a strict and comprehensive shipping quality assurance process. Today, let's take you to the chamber dispatch area of SANWOOD Technology and explore the final preparation process before shipment. In the shipping area, units ready for delivery are neatly arranged, waiting for final packaging and transportation. Before shipment, our team conducts a comprehensive inspection of each equipment, including appearance, structural details, product labels, and configuration requirements, ensuring that every unit is in perfect condition and all delivery information is accurate. Based on different equipment size, transportation distance, and environmental requirements at customer location, SANWOOD Technology develops customized professional package solution. During the package process, the equipment surface is fully protected, while critical areas receive additionally reinforcement to prevent scratch or impact damage during transportation. For equipment shipped overseas over long distance, we adopt reinforced packaging structures and provide target protection solutions according to different transportation methods, such as sea freight and land transportation. The internal components are securely fixed to minimize movement during transit. Externally, the equipment is protected with moisture-proof and dust-proof materials, combined with customized wooden crates for enhanced structural strength, ensuring safe transportation over long distance. Every packaging detail is carefully designed to adjust the various transportation conditions the equipment may encounter from the factory to the customer site, ensuring that each unit arrives safely and intact after long-distance transportation. Delivering reliable environmental testing solutions to customers around the world.